This little ProtoX has been sitting on my desk for quite a little while. I got it a few weeks ago at the hobby shop one day when I was checking out. They have them sitting by the counter. It looked pretty cool, and I know one of the guys in the shop has a blast flying it around while he's working. So I figured I'd pick it up. I brought it home, sat it on my desk, and it's kind of been sitting there while I've been building another RC. I finally picked up some batteries for it, and now it's time to see what's in the box.
Team Baxter.
The first thing I'm going to do, of course, is pop the seal and take all this stuff out of the box. You open the box and right off the bat you see your tiny little radio and the Nano Quadcopter. Let's pull the radio out. This whole radio is smaller than my hand. This is going to be a little weird to kind of try to fly this little radio. And that box that was holding the radio in. Got a couple extra blades there, front and rear blades, and your charger. Looks like the quad is held in by a few zip ties. Pull the zip ties out, and there's your little quad. This is a tiny little thing. I've got a quarter here to kind of show how big this thing is, and the radio's not much bigger. So I'm going to put a couple AA batteries in this thing, and I've got the quad on the charger, and while it's charging I want to look at the radio real quick. It has your regular flight controls, a little bit of trim up and down and left and right, and that's just about it. The batteries, two AAAs are screwed into the back of it. I've already installed those and flicked the switch to turn it on. As soon as the heli charges up, I'll put it in the air. It took about 15 minutes for the light on the charger to go off, indicating that the quad was ready to go. So I'm going to turn on the radio and then flip the quad over. There's a tiny little on-off switch right there. Turn this over and wait for the blue lights to come on. Okay, well I guess all those blue lights are on. I'm applying slight throttle input, and up she goes. It automatically started drifting back. Let me try it again. Let's try facing away from me first. The controls are really touchy right off the bat, but I have to tell you, I'm having the greatest time with those four liftoffs. So let me try this again. So I'm not doing too good of a job keeping it in the frame. The controls are really touchy. I know a guy that has screwed posts into this controller to give him a better handle. I may do the same, but I'm gonna keep working with it and see if I can get it going. So it's taken me a few minutes and I'm able to get a halfway decent hover going on. I'm going to work with it a few more minutes, but that's the ProtoX from Estes, little tiny quadcopter. I think it's going to be pretty enjoyable. I've already bent up one of the blades just a little bit. I don't know how durable it's going to be, but it's pretty fun. I'm going to keep playing with it and see what happens.